Hey YouTube, this is the Wheel Collector, and today we have a Dialga V-Star Premium Collection box to unbox. I am unboxing this because I can't sell it because I have damaged the box during shipping. So it is being unboxed instead. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do enjoy these videos, please help out and like and subscribe. That would be an awesome help. Our first one is we have our code card, and then we have our promo Origin Form Dialga V sitting right here. And then we have our Origin Form Dialga V Star right here. And then last, our coin. And then we have our pin, a V-Star. And then we have, of course, the big form, the big card. And go get those laminated, in all honesty. Okay, now it looks like we have 2 Fusion Strikes, 2 Astro Radiances, and 2 Lost Origins in this pack. Oh, that packing is very loud. Looks like. Oh, so we have your code card. We have a Shinx, Baneri, Basculin, Grubbin, a Mankey, a Totodile Reverse Rare, and then a Gengar V. Gengar V, who reminds me of trying to get lucky to hit that Gengar alternate art V Max. That's your code card. Meltan, Toxile, Staryu, Mawile, Mahucha, Absol Reverse Rare, and then nothing. On to our Astro Radiance. We have your code card. We have Sudowoodo. We have Heracross. We have Basculin. We have Poochyena, Glameow. We have a reverse Nicklet. And then we have the non-promo Hisuian Samurott as a double hitter with a V-Star card going over there. Alright, now I have a code card. We have Bergmite, Hippopotamus, Cyndaquil, Scyther, Hisuian Growlithe, Reverse Rare Barboth, and nothing. For our Lost Origin to start off, we have your code card. We have Electrike, Ghastly, Binnacle, Murkrow, Wurmple, Malamar Reverse Rare, and nothing. Oh, we get something, even if it's out of the trainer gallery. Have your code card, Horsey, Choupette, Shallows, Growlithe. We have a Ducklet. Oh, we know Reverse Rare Glacier, and it looks like we got a V. We got a Rotom V, and not the alternate art. Oh well, right? Another doubleheader. And that is all from that pack. Like, see our polls. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I will catch you next time.